Alright, let's look at question 35. It says, given that sine x minus 46 equals to cos 62 degrees, find x. So from here, we know that our y plus z equals to 90 degrees for complementary angle. So it follows that sine y is equals to cos z. That means this becomes our x minus 46 plus 62 degree will give us 90 degrees. So this becomes x is equals to 90 degrees plus 46 plus 62. So that becomes our x. Sorry, that's minus 62. So our x will be equals to 74 degrees. That's option C. And let's look at question 36. So given that log 16 base 4 is equals to log 36 base y, find y. So this 16, we'll break it down. So that becomes 4 to the power of 2 equals to log 36 base y. So bring the 2 to this side. So it becomes 2 log 4 base 4 equals to log 36. So this becomes, when you have a log to the same base, the answer is 1. So that goes off. That's 2 equals to log 36 base y. So from here, now so y to the power of 2 is equals to 36. So therefore it follows that our y is equals to, take the square root of both sides, square root of 36. So our y is equals to positive 6, which is equals to option C.